Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google account sync is paused problem. So if you already sign in into your Google account on the Chrome, but then when you try to open it, you can see the sync it's called it is a pause. You can see sync is paused. So how you can fix it so that it sync the sync is back on, or is continue. So what you need to do is just re-sign in or re-log into your Google account. You can click on this pause button and you can see sync is paused. You can just click on this sign in again button, and now you can just fill in your email or phone and enter your password in here. So after you enter your password, you can click on next, click on continue, and now just like that, the sync is paused is fixed, and now the sync is back on. So you can just continue your browsing. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.